No, 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 no. Ha 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 ha. Damn it! I escaped! Cheater. Escaped.
Zombie apocalypse.
Gonna start the fight. Last time I tried, I reached the heat level 5. Let's see where am I gonna get this time. I made a mistake. I should have stayed close to the gas station. I didn't, and they arrested me. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. That's my favorite spot. I get to play cat and mouse in here with the cops. Here we go, there's one. On the northwest. The gas station. Just drink coffee doing nothing in there. Hello, copy. Boops! Yay! Yeah, you do! On my dead body. Haha! Yeah. Come on, yeah, try your best. Woohoo! Whoops! I think I killed one of them. Did I? I didn't? Yo. Yeah. Your units are good for nothing. Send me those core rats. Hey. That's how I repair the damage. There's another one. You know, the best thing you can do is to make them jump into the lake. If I can find a good spot... Yeah, because you killed yourself. Okay, that doesn't look good. I want to maintain the heat level. Come on, show me a cop. Didn't go that well. Shouldn't have killed him early. Oh, there we go. But I have to start from scratch. Let's kill this thing. Damn it! Didn't know you were playing for him. Dumbass. Where did you go? Come on, damn it. I want that little cop over there. Yoo-hoo! Yes. Drown himself? No? Still on? Okay, it's time to see a nice one. If I can pull it off, that would be great. Ah, no, not yet. Where are you? Oh, I'm gonna pretend. No. I should kill you now. No. Oh, I'm in bad condition. I should find a gas station. Ah, I wish I could kill you there. Where's the gas station, damn it? I don't want this to finish early. Come on. No, it's not a good time now.
1, what's your QTH now?
Now heading northbound through downtown Palm City.
QSL, now heading northbound through downtown Palm City.
Control, send you 15.
QRS, West 15 is inbound
Where
on
are you?
4222
Damn it.
resisting pursuit. Copy, QSL 4222.
Now heading southbound on Waller Boulevard.
Copy, QSL.
Go.
We're engaging the subject vehicle.
Yeah, you do.
Pull over.
Ah, no, no. Oh, okay, that was a good one.
There it is.
4223, any update?
Subject fled. Still pursuing the subject.
See, where is the closest gas station? I'll have to repair these damages soon.
Now heading northbound on Waller Boulevard.
QSL now northbound on Waller Boulevard.
Is that all you got?
Requesting additional units.
QRX 15 is en route. We're calling you
Send your
from
big
12.
boys. I'm not gonna give up. Here we go.
Got it, QSL.
Everything's repaired now.
Control, they just took a heavy landing, but they're still fleeing.
Oops.
We're not sure
Uh-oh.
how they're still driving.
There it is. Subject vehicle is still mobile. QSL.
Of course I'm still mobile. I just have to go get my vitamin at the gas station.
We've got visual on the subject.
Yeah, don't
All
lose me.
units 4222 has
Gets
resumed
boring.
pursuit of the subject.
Where are you? Come on. Send me a fighter.
Subject rammed my unit.
Subject rammed your unit. Yes, I'm Rambo, idiot.
Backup unit. Now.
Reinforcements are inbound QRX.
4220 here. I'm joining the pursuit.
Copy QSL.
We've hit them. Let's see if it's slowing them down. Subject vehicle is hitting my unit.
Yeah, I did. Report it to your mommy.
Now heading eastbound, approaching Eden Shores.
QSL.
Ooh, 3 of them.
Shut them down.
Uh-oh. No. You're not doing that.
Chaos. They're down.
QSL.
Nah, come on. Right? No. Ha 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 ha. Damn it, I escaped. Cheater. You fucking cheater. That was a good run. Whatever.